Hello guys, what I have here is a fuse. This fuse is rated 13 amp. What I have here also is a fuse. So they serve the same purpose, just different applications. You can find this one in plug heads, like the plug head of your extension or the plug head of your fridge, stabilizer, or any other place. So but this one, this very fuse is known as cutout fuse. You find it at your control switch point. So from your pole, from the electric pole, your hot lines enter into these terminals. So you mostly find them three. For a three-phase system, you mostly find them three. 1, 2, 3. So the hot lines from the pole will enter here, enter the second one, and enter the third one. While at the top here is the output points. Okay, so the output points are mostly looped. So then when you get a fuse like this, it has a screw here and it has a screw here. So you use a conductor, like a piece of wire like this, to connect here and here. So when you do this, the fuse is now connected. So when you plug it here, the input from the pole entering here now has a connection through this fuse with this output point. So from the output point, it goes to maybe a changeover or straight to your building if you're making use of only power from the electric pole. So this is a fuse. So if anything goes wrong, maybe due to overload, short circuit, this very conductor will get so hot and then cut. It will get so hot and melt. So when it melts, there is no longer transfer of electricity from this input point to this point. So that is what a fuse does. So this one is a fuse. This one is a fuse as well. If there is something wrong with the line it's controlling, it has an internal conductor. It has an internal conduction. So let me test this with a multimeter for us to confirm. So this is a fuse. How to test a fuse? Place one probe here and you place one probe here. You can see the fuse is okay. So that's the same thing with such fuse. So if this wire is connected from here to here, if you test for continuity at these 2 points, you're going to get some reading. So if anything goes wrong, it will cut internally. There is a conductor linking this point to this point. It will cut internally. So if you read here and here, you will not get any reading. So but because the fuse is in order, it's okay. If you read here and here, you get some continuity reading. So but if anything goes wrong, it will cut and you will no longer get a reading. So when you no longer get a reading, there is no transfer of electricity from the supply point to whatever part of the circuit is controlling. So the same thing is applicable to this point. So that is a fuse and how it works.